Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm here to show you how to set up a healthier and more productive workspace, whether at home or in the office. When working with two monitors, let's talk about where to put all that tech. First, decide whether you use your monitors equally or one more than the other. In the case of equal use, center the monitors to your body with each angled in slightly. If you use one screen as your primary monitor, center it on your desk with the top of the screen at eye level. Then place your secondary monitor immediately adjacent. The middle of both screens should be on the same level at the same viewing height and distance. Now you're set up for better and more ergonomic workdays.